Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to return an item on Vinted. First, open Vinted in your web browser. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Go to the conversation screen with the seller. Important, you must do this within 2 days of your item being marked as delivered. Click the I have an issue button on the conversation screen. Provide proof for your return season. Example, photo of a damaged item, incorrect item received, item not as described. Once ready, click Send to Seller to submit your refund request. What happens next? Your order will be suspended to keep your money safe. You and the seller will communicate to resolve the issue. You may receive a refund, partial refund, or other solution. Don't forget, you must return the item within the allowed time frame to qualify for a refund. And that's it. That's how to return an item on Vinted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.